HDT Storm SRTV 2026, America's ultimate tactical strike vehicle. It's not a tank. It's not a jeep. It's a ghost with firepower. In 2026, the HDT Storm SRTV, Search and Rescue Tactical Vehicle, redefines what light combat mobility means on the battlefield. Originally built for U.S. Special Operations Forces, the latest version has evolved from a rapid insert/extract vehicle into a fully weaponized, AI-assisted combat machine. The 2026 HDT Storm SRTV introduces cutting-edge upgrades that bridge stealth, speed, and firepower. AI-controlled remote weapon station (RWS), equipped with 50 calories machine gun or 40mm grenade launcher, laser-guided Spike SR anti-tank missiles, thermal plus night vision system with smart autolock, full drone connectivity for recon and live fire coordination, hybrid electric powertrain for silent movement and low heat signature, quick swap modular armor, customizable based on mission risk level, EMP-hardened electronic systems for cyber warfare resilience. Built with high-clearance suspension and a lightweight chassis, the HDT Storm can maneuver in urban war zones, jungle trails, deserts, and high-altitude terrains. With seating for up to 4 fully equipped troops and a low profile, it's perfect for hit-and-run missions, covert reconnaissance, high-speed extractions, drone command center on wheels. In 2026, the Storm SRTV isn't just a military vehicle, it's a tactical ghost. It strikes before it's seen, escapes before it's targeted, and links the battlefield with real-time intelligence. In the age of AI warfare, the quietest vehicle might just be the deadliest. The Storm proves it.